Hey guys, I know I haven't been posting for a while, but I am DIY Ashlyn, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make miniature slimes that, with mini containers, and we'll put faces on them, so no kawaii slimes. So the things you'll need is a bowl, anything to mix with, glue, shaving cream, your slime activator, and food coloring. Now I've already made slimes for this, but I'm just going to show you guys how to do it, and I'm just going to use the slimes that I made already. And so you're going to want to add your glue. I'm using clear glue. You're only going to make about that much. Only put a little bit of all the ingredients because you want it to fit in the containers. Don't color it until the end. Add your shaving cream. Then mix it up. This is a short video, but I need to post. So we're going to make 2 for this. So then you're going to add your slime activator. Add a little bit at a time. I'm using borax with water. And just to let you all know, I might be coming out with a slime shop soon. So if I do, I'll leave that in my descriptions in my videos. So yeah. Oof. Sorry. And simple little fluffy slime. You can make any type of slime you want to make, but I just made a fluffy slime. Because I haven't made a fluffy slime in a while, so just knead that up. And also I'll leave my Instagram name and whatever down below. And I might leave my Musically, if I can remember. So there's your slime. Just make your slime, make that any color you want. I'm gonna put that aside. You're gonna need storage cups. I got these at Ross. Little tiny storage cups, so you just wanna open it up and get them out. So I'm gonna make 3 adorable little slimes. I'm going to be using my lime frosted cupcake slime. I made a lot of each of these. They've already been in containers, but yeah. So I'm going to take some out. And here it is. It smells like lime. And try to put some in there. If there's extras, put it away. Yep. So you're gonna watch me struggle to put these in the containers, make them look nice. So there's one. I'm gonna be using pastel slimes and put them in the containers. There's one, and let's go for a nice hot pink. When I said hot pink, I meant pastel, and this is my Simpsons donut one. One more to go. And I think I'm gonna go with my butter slime, so let's just put that in it. So here we go. Get yourself a black Sharpie and you'll be done. You could use acrylic paints, but I'm gonna be using a Sharpie. It's a whirl, but So there we go. Some cute, kawaii little signs. Zoom in. There we go. Aren't they cute? So make sure to leave a like for these kawaii little slime containers. And I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.